Weekend was busy. Weekend, I ended up with a party and a medium reading. And another reading that kind of slipped in when I thought I had nothing else going on. The medium reading, I kind of talked a little bit about the medium reading that happened on Saturday. Time is hard. It was great. It's so funny when there's this thing where I kind of sometimes feel like I've got to be like serene and mellow and very calm during the medium readings, and then you have like the most hyper. The spirit was so excited. It was like they were so excited, and so I was so animated and excited, and the person I was reading for kept confirming, no, that's them, don't worry, I'm gonna sneeze. Should have taken I reacted. One more. Okay. It's probably going to happen 17 more times this show. So good morning, everybody. I'm Laura Grace, the Little Witch. We are live from Event Horizon Hobbies. Let me know if you can hear me okay. I'm trying not to yell this morning, and I'm sniffling a fillet. Oh my God. Okay. You're kind of going to focus on something that's been a challenge for you. Hello. Oh my gosh. The Light Seer's Tarot goes all over the place. Something that's been a challenge for you, or something that's been on your mind, something you've been trying to work out. Yeah, focus on the thing. Focus on whatever the thing is. I'm going to pull a card that's going to be just a tiny little, unless they don't want to all stay together, be a little bit of guidance or a little bit of nudge or a little bit of point in the right direction with what's on your mind today. Okay, Kim. I don't know if we've ever had the Page of Cups before, Kim, which is great if it's new. I have to completely invest. I don't like telling people I have to. It benefits me. We win if what we do is we completely invest in the great big idea and believe it with all of our naive, optimistic, in love with the idea heart. There are things in what it is that you're up to, or this whatever it is that you're kind of juggling here, whatever it is that you were thinking about, the topic you were thinking about, for you to kind of go, I need to just be completely in love. Look at this. I need to be completely in love with the inspiration that has come, the idea itself, the pigs can fly of it all, even if it seems completely impossible to others, to others around me. Talk to the part of yourself that is presenting you with the rational doubts. The heart doesn't work that way. The Page of Cups is tapping into the energy of the first time that you were inspired or in love with some idea, and there had been no doom and gloom around it. Zero doom and gloom around it. And approach it with that energy just to see what happens. Do that for a couple of days. And if the little nagging voice ends up in the back of your head to try to make things rational, you tell it it's got no place. Tell it can come back Thursday.